everybody, Jordan here. I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Sonos One Gen 2 in black. Got this from Best Buy. I'll have the link down below. If you like on this video, comment down below if you own anything for Sonos. Yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so the Sonos One retails for $270 Canadian. This is an open box, so I got it at a discount. I paid $189 for it, but normal price is $270 Canadian or $202 US. Comes in black and white. It also includes Alexa and Google Assistant. It's Wi-Fi compatible, integrates with Spotify, Amazon Music, and more with Alexa and Google Assistant support, as well as with AirPlay support, so for streaming from your Apple device, so your iPhones, your iPads, your MacBooks, any of that sort of stuff. And you can pair two together for stereo sound, as well as connect them with other Sonos speakers via Wi-Fi. Matte finish with a durable metal speaker grill. Next, let's unbox the speaker. Alrighty, so without further ado, let's unbox this. So as you're seeing this video, you'll have probably seen this Mossy Oak unboxing that I just did a little while ago. That'll be up before this. Check that out if you haven't already. The link down below. Super dope collection of stuff. Here we go. Let's get started. Following out, yeah, that's fill out. There you go. I got the user guide, all that sort of stuff. Download the Sonos app, which I will do in a moment. Then we've got the speaker, which is surprisingly heavy considering how small it is. It's also in like a nice little fabric pouch. Yeah, so it comes with the power cord attached, as well as with an Ethernet, so you can wire this into your Wi-Fi if you'd like. Some Sonos branding on the front, touch controls on the top. Super heavy for the size. Nice, good quality. Rubber stoppers on the bottom as well. Yeah, that's everything in the box. So quick little unboxing presentation. Let me get this set up and then I'll be back. Got it all set up. Took me a few minutes, pretty quick process. I also did a screen recording of a quick app walkthrough, which I'll pop up right here so you can see what the app looks like. So you've got all the different menus, so obviously your music, your setting, audio control, all that sort of thing. Yeah, pretty nice app, well organized, easy to use, not too cluttered. Yeah, let's test out some features on the speaker. So I have it set up with Google Assistant. Let me mute my other Google Nest Hub. Alrighty, let's test out the Google Assistant functionality of the speaker. Hey Google, play The Butcher by Adam Calhoun.
Alright, playing The Butcher on Spotify.
Boom.
I'm eating at a mommy at some hibachi place I can't pronounce. This bitch I brought with me ass goofy like a basset hound. She don't fuck dudes unless the transactions cash them out.
Yeah, incredible sound. Nice and clear. Bass is definitely there. Can be nice and loud. Hey Google, skip forward 30 seconds.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey Google, fast forward 30 seconds.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
That's really weird. So you can't do that on here. Hey Google, pause. The skip forward and back didn't work for whatever reason. It's really weird. Hey Google, what's the weather in Austin, Texas?
Right now in Austin, Texas, United States, it's 17 degrees and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny, with a forecasted high of 18 and a low of 5.
Ooh, nice. Hey Google, who is Post Malone?
According to Wikipedia, Austin Richard Post, known professionally as Post Malone, is an American rapper, singer, songwriter, and record producer. Known for his variegated vocals, Malone...
Cool. Yeah, it's obviously touch controls on the top, so volume up is over here, volume down is over here, play pause is here.
The mic is muted. The mic's back on.
So you can disable the mic right up here. Pretty cool. Touch controls. And then there's a button on the back for pairing multiple speakers together, along with the Ethernet and the power. Rubber stoppers on the bottom. Yeah, the speaker's pretty awesome. Definitely enjoying the sound. Probably gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. Maybe on my desk or next to my bed. Gotta figure that out. But we'll see. Stay tuned for a full studio tour coming soon, which you'll see this set up somewhere in my room. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so yeah, really nice build quality, great sound, lots of features built into this. I wish it was battery powered as well, so you can remove the cable, but there is the Sonos Roam, as well as there's a couple of Sonos speakers that are battery powered. This one you have to plug in, but it works with your Wi-Fi, it works with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Yeah, pretty dope so far. Definitely enjoying this. I'll be testing it out over the next little while. Might even include this in my smart speaker comparison that I'm going to do pretty soon. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. And if you own any of the Sonos products, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.